Good day. Here is my report on fish genetics and breeding. Explain the importance of a breeding program and its importance in aquaculture. The more important function and requirements of breeding program are to increase production and product quality, increase productivity and cost efficiency, maintain genetic diversity, support the conservation and use of specific breeds, and consider animal welfare and sustainable system. Aquaculture is the fastest growing food production industry, and the vast majority of aquaculture products are derived from Asia. The quality of aquaculture product directly consumed is now greater than that resulting from conventional fisheries. Number 2. Explain the principle of Hardy-Weinberg law. There are 5 basic Hardy-Weinberg assumptions: no mutations, random mating, no genes flow, infinite population size, and no selection if the assumptions are not met. For a gene, the population may evolve for that genes. The gene's allele frequencies may change. Explain the function of all the parts of a cell. Nuclear envelope. Separate the content of the nucleus from the cytoplasm and provides the structural framework of the nucleus. Nucleus. It in facilitating ribosome biogenesis. Plasma membrane. It's provide protection for a cell. Golgi apparatus as a factory in which protein received from the ER are further processed and sorted for transport to their eventual destination, lysosome, the plasma membrane, or secretion. Basal body plays a role in motility, cell cycle progression, morphogenesis, and sensation, depending upon the cell type, via its function in organizing the event cilium or in some cases organizing the architecture of the cytoskeleton. Lysosome as the digestive system of the cell, serving both to degrade materials taken up from outside the cell and to digest obsolete components of the cell itself. Granules are one of the non-living cell. The other couple and nucleoplasm. It serves as a small container of starch in plant cell. Vacuole are membrane-bound organelles that can be found in both animals and plants. In a way, they are specialized lysosome. That is to say that their function is really to handle waste product, and by handle mean take in waste product and also get rid of waste product. Number 4. Explain the central dogma of molecular biology, protein synthesis. The central dogma of molecular biology states that DNA contains instructions for making protein, which are copied by RNA. RNA then uses the instructions to make a protein, in short DNA, RNA protein, or DNA to RNA to protein. Number 5. Explain the principle of mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the division of a cell into two daughter cells that are genetically identical to the parent cell. Meiosis is the division of a germ cell into four sex cells, each with half the number of chromosomes of the parent cell. Cite an example of a Mendelian inheritance in fishes and gene action in fishes. Heritance is by unit or particles now called genes, which maintain their identity from generation to generation. It is also known as the law of segregation of genes. These units are present in duplicate in each individual. It is also called the law of independence assortment, which means that segregation at one locus does not influence segregation at another.